What is going on, everybody, and welcome to Into My GT Entertainment. My name is Joel, and today we have a little something different. Got a friend of ours, Jared, has a Focus RS, and he wants to put a downpipe in it. So the gang is helping him out with that. It is Isaiah. We got Casey, Scooter. I think that's all that's in there, but and we'll go ahead and take a peek and see what they have going on at the moment. I'm sure it's going to be something to look at. Alright, well, like I said, they're putting a downpipe in. They already got the air filter out. Scooter's supposed to be going to a wedding here, and he doesn't really look like he's going, but we'll see about that. We got Kiki over here. He doesn't like to do videotapes, but anyway. Casey's here about to break something. Jared's letting him break something. So
I'm letting Scooter handle the braking for now.
Okay. So you got that going on there. They're taking it apart now, and the downpipe is it's over here. And here is the downpipe that they're putting on.
And wastegate.
And the wastegate. Ooh, pretty. So anyway, we will go ahead and follow this a little bit and see what happens. Later. So they went ahead and took out the battery, and I think they're taking out the battery box now.
I'm about to do the opposite.
I don't know where I think the downpipe's on the other side, but
You know what the shitty part is?
but we'll go ahead and see what happens here. I hate when they try to recycle a perfectly good intake. Sad day. It's a sad day. Well, they are all under the car doing some type of crazy circle jerk. So down here.
Not left-handed, by any means.
So they're down there taking the pipe apart, I'm assuming. Let me see if I can get down here and see what's going on.
Oh my God.
It's kind of loud.
Wait, hold on. How about you bolt the bolts back into the hanger so the hanger doesn't move? Because that's the problem, the whole hanger's moving.
No, that's not it.
Joel's here.
Hi.
Carl.
Oh, I can hold this end.
So yeah, that's what they're into at the moment. Trying to figure in,
Actually, that.
I guess they're trying to get the hanger off, is what I'm assuming.
I see what you're gonna try now.
So, yeah, let me get out of here before, yeah, you know. Later.
You need a shovel? What the?
They all want to try. Mine will fall, so I'm holding one. Anyway, so what are we doing here?
We're trying to get to the bolts on the turbo to the downpipe.
Oh.
But they're like back here.
They're in the bitch.
Gay!
Come on, Kiki.
Yeah.
Stop fucking around.
And that was Serenade by Kiki. Hold on, guys, I know it's a little noisy in here, but now they're working on the bottom half. They had to break out some air tools, but I think we're getting there. So we'll update you here in a minute. Scooter had to go to a wedding, so he is now out. So we'll go from here and see where we end up. Well, they have gotten to the point where they've gotten the downpipe off. That is the old one. They got to take the O2 sensors off. The new one is sitting over here. Man, back in the recycle bin again. everything going in the recycle bin. You don't get it. Anyway, and then they're working on the blow-off valve? Wastegate, excuse me. Wastegate now. Hustling at that for a little bit, and they'll figure that out and head on down. So we'll see where we're at in a little bit. All right, well, they've been working diligently here, and they got the old wastegate and the new wastegate. So now they're figuring out what to do next and going from there. And then the turbo is somewhere up in that joint. I can't see it. It's yeah, up in that joint. So I'll let them get to it, and
You're short. All up in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So we'll be back. That was a test of the wastegate.
Oh, it works.
Yeah, well, there you go. Just to let y'all see what they had to do here. You see the air hose going to the little tube? Well, that gets going to the
over here, sir.
Going down right here. They had to open it, and they needed some air. So this is how they did it. Smart guys. Smart guys.
Well, I kind of like. I think it looks pretty cool.
And look, Zach decided to come visit.
Hello.
I don't know. Is there a car meet? He might dip on you.
What?
Oh, gotta go. All right, they got the downpipe on now, and they're changing the spark plugs, and Hunter's sitting on a bucket. So yeah, everything's good. Spaghetti.
Casual
You
project.
don't know how to spell spaghetti?
No, I don't.
Neither do I. I don't know how to spell anything.
Spaghetti?
I only know Mississippi because of the song, but it's, okay. And then let me go under here, see if I can find the downpipe. And there is the downpipe, nice and shiny and new. Well, he's about getting it done now. He's buttoning up everything, putting the covers back in, and see, one over there, hammer time about to happen. Yep, see, caught that. And then yeah, they're about to fire this up in a minute, I guess. It's still unattached on the bottom, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be loud. But and Jarrett's trying to hurt himself. But anyway, we'll see what it sounds like here in a few. All right, he's got the engine bay buttoned up. He still has it disconnected under the car. He wants to go ahead and try to see what it sounds like with it and check the tune and everything. Right now, they put the windshield wipers on backwards, so they're fixing that. So God knows what's gonna happen next. But we'll check it out here in a minute. Okay. Everything off the motor that needs. And that was with it unattached, so we'll do it again with it going through the whole system. Yes, that sounded good. All right, just on a side note, I've been requested. They're almost done with the car, hopefully, so we'll be able to listen to it in a minute. But this is why we don't let Brandon join in reindeer games. Cause that fool will just park wherever, halfway in the yard, just because there ain't no parking in the street, right? Nope. But yeah, this is why we don't deal with him too much. Later. All right, guys, this is car at idle. I get him to hit a couple revs. Hold on.
Not too loud.
Not too bad.
It has a hanging it.
All right, buddy.
See you later.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
All right, and that'll conclude this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed the install and the shenanigans that they went through, and the Casey hitting himself in the nuts with the hose and everything else that happened tonight. So we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.